Hi everybody.
Where are you from?
Me, I'm from Ukraine.
Ukraine?
Yes, I'm
Very
from
good.
Ukraine. My name is Lena Tkachuk. Company Technology Improves the World. And our project is Droid Translator.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you. I'm getting nervous a little bit because it's first time in my life I can see so many beautiful men in one place. I hope it will help me to win. Okay, our project Droid Translator, it's first automatic simulation translator, voice and video calls for Skype or for other VoIP services. We are first, and we love to translate from different languages to different languages. And now we have our application has 25 languages. Full version will have 28 languages. And how it works? You just download your to your tablet or to your smartphone this application. You use the program which you choose a program that will use to call and to translate your voice, and you call your friend, for example, and this application will translate your voice and your chat, if you use chat, to language of your colleague or your friend. Now we have version on Google Play, available on Google Play, and it's Android version since 26th of June. And approximately in one month we will have iOS version. Now we have 20 languages, and full version we will have 28, I told you. And I would like to show you our product description. It's our interface. Now we have more than 90,000 clients. No, even more than 100,000 clients on Android system, and every day it's grow. We expect the total number will install 17 millions till the end of 2012, and our customers USA, Europe countries, Middle East countries, Japan and South Korea. We have some competitive advantages. First of all, we translate voice and video calls via Skype. We record of all types of calls into text. We have special design, our interface. We have translation of mobile calls. We have translation of video calls. We have translation of chat, and we have our translation inside our program DTeam. So you just need to choose what you need to, how you want to translate. The developer of Droid Translator is company Technology Improves the World. The CEO and author of company project is Alexander Konovalov. He is here, and thank you for attention.
Okay. Het grappige is dat als ik nu in het Nederlands praat, komt het zo dadelijk in het Engels uit. That's the beauty of, so I was saying, the funny thing is, if I use this product, could talk in Dutch and you could listen to me in English, if I'm correct. That's pretty cool. Sam, what were you thinking about this?
No, exciting. I think it's, it really sounds incredibly exciting. It will be absolutely disruptive solution if it works. So the question is, I would have is how accurate. So I assume it's real-time translation. So basically, I can speak one language, person on the other side hears the same message in the other language. So how, number one, so the engine you're using is the engine you developed yourself, or you're using some of the existing technologies, off-the-shelf technologies, and how accurate what is the user feedback you're getting? How accurate the translation is? How well the technology works at this point of time?
Okay, we are talking about Droid Translator like about program, which is process of translation. Of course, we use technologies which has everybody, and everybody can use these technologies. It's not our technologies. We use Google Translation, we use Bing Translation, we use recognizer and synchronization of another developers. We made a process. Our program recognize your voice, translate, and from another side you can hear another voice. But in future, of course, and now we are working about, first of all, our service, because now we make a Skype translation, video translation with Skype, and now we are working on our service with video translation, and in future we are going to make our translation technologies and synchronization technologies.
How does it work? So I have my Skype. I open my Skype, I call you. I speak English, I speak Ukrainian, so how does it work?
First of all, you download our program, our application from Google Play. You go to Droid Translator, you synchronize your contacts with contact Skype, and you call me, that is all.
I call from Skype? Or
No, you call from Droid Translator.
So how do you integrate with Skype?
We use Skype only when you call me by video. If you want to comment, you want to see my face, for example, video calls you use. And now we use Skype for synchronization to have all your contacts in your program, in your Droid Translator.
One simple question I always ask to this kind of projects. Why don't you show us a demo?
We want to show you a demo. We have.
What's the point in spending time and talking? I mean, show us a demo how it works, and then then we can judge whether it works fine or it's.
If you can do it, we will show it.
It's not up to me, but yeah, you have
we
2
just have only 5
minutes
minutes
so.
to present our project. That is all.
But can you call somebody now?
Yes, I can call.
We have 90 seconds left. So.
Alexander.
I think that's it's very true. This is something you need to see, you need to experience. Does it work? Does it come out in Turkish?
Well, he's getting ready.
Now we will show. We have 2 devices. It's one type tablet and one smartphone, and we will show how it works. Okay.
So can you explain what you're going to show here? Or I'll explain.
Alexander will call you now, and we will answer. And we will talk English, he will talk Russian.
He has 5,000 contacts.
Yes, we will hear translation here. It will.
The phone is ringing.
Answer.
Elena, freue ich mich, Sie auf der Messe zu sehen.
Change, please.
That was German, no. Oh, it was German. Okay. Okay.
No, here it's Germany.
Okay,
we can change the language and you will hear in English.
Yeah,
it works.
We get the point, and it's pretty amazing, I guess.
So right now the engine is free. You use Google engine, right?
Yes, now it's free, but in some days it will be free and paid version. In free, you can use data chat, and paid version you will have all functions of our.
But you do not pay Google to translate. You use standard Google.
You pay. We use Bing,
access.
and we pay Bing.
You pay Bing for translation.
Yes, of course. Okay. We have license, and we pay Bing.
Okay, thank you very much.
Absolutely, just one short remark. As a big Star Trek fan, that's a childhood dream of mine because they could communicate with everybody. And also, just to confirm, the German that came out, I don't know if you guys heard it, actually was quite good. So you could understand what he was saying.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you much.
And the last from me, we have one client. He is from England, and every day he sent us letters. And in the last letters, it was like this. Please add to your program Thai language, because I have 24 women Thais, and I want to talk to them, and you don't give me a chance to build my private life. So we tried to solve this problem. Thank you.
That solves a big pain, definitely, for some guy. At least.
And there's a business model right there. You want to speak Thai, then you got to pay. Yeah, that was pretty interesting technology, and yeah, it's cool to see that it actually goes this way.